Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Sigil back here with another video. So in this video, I will be benchmarking the computer I found on my last video. So this is gonna be the second part to the video. Before I start the video, I just want to let you guys know if you guys hit that little bell next to my subscribe button, you guys get notified every time I make a new video. So make sure you do that and subscribe, and also drop a like. But yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so now that we are on my computer, so as you guys can tell, this is the second portion since that, and my mic did break unfortunately, so I do have to use my headset mic from now on. I'm actually gonna plan on getting a new mic, but so that I just had to let you guys know that before we start the benchmarking. So I will be benchmarking games on the computer, so it works fine. I've been playing for a week. I'm gonna be playing CS:GO, Fortnite, and Rocket League actually. But with that said, let's just get into the computer and I'm gonna show you guys the specs. Alright, so we are in CS:GO right now. So I'm open a new desktop and then show you guys Task Manager. So the CPU utilization is at 30% obviously because we have CS:GO open in the back. So for the CPU, we have the AMD Phantom quad core processor, the X4. It's running at 3.2 gigahertz, which is pretty good. For the memory, we have 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it's running at 667 megahertz, and it's also DDR3. And then for the SSD, we have the 860 EVO, which is by Samsung. It has 500 gigabytes of storage, which is plenty for like games that you want to run today. And then for the graphics card, we have the Radeon 550 series, which is MSI. So that's for the specs, but with that said, let's just get into the game and see how it runs. Okay, so we are in CS:GO right now, and so right now it's running at 115 FPS, which is crazy. It's running at 1920 by 1080 because it cannot run 1440p. But if you do run 1440p, it runs like at 80, which is not that bad, but you want to get the best performance. So we're running everything low, as you guys can see, and we are running at 1920 by 1080, which is not bad. It's actually pretty good. Most people's monitors are 1920 by 1080, so that's pretty good. So we are going to play some deathmatch and see how it does. Okay, so we are in the game. We're running. It's at 50 FPS right now. Oh, did I not put deathmatch? Oh my god, I didn't put deathmatch. Alright, we're in a deathmatch. Shit, I forgot to buy. And we are running at... So we are playing at 720p, which is very stable right now. I mean, it looks pretty bad, but when you actually play, it's not as bad. Alright, we got one kill. Let's go. Okay, there's another guy. I got one. Okay, that was like a really fast game of CS:GO. It was running at 60 FPS for some reason, which is not bad. Alright, we're gonna play one more game of CS:GO, just so we can keep a balanced FPS average. Alright, we're running at 80 FPS right now, which isn't horrible. It's actually very playable. 1920p, not bad. Not bad at all. There you go, we got one. Got two. Got three. Oh my god, no! We freaking ran out of ammo. Bro, I'm so surprised how I found this computer on the street and fixed it. Like, it's a brand new freaking working computer. It's like, I want to say it's up to date, like the specs, but it's pretty damn good. Aw, my teammate stole my kill. It's fine. No way he didn't die. Oh, there's no freaking way. You guys like my skin? sexy in my head. I got one this game. There should be a guy up here. Let's go, got him. Oh, I thought it was Stat Trap. It's not. Ah! No, I got freaking tased. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the funny thing is, I freaking found it on the street. No, I don't want that. Let's go, I got him. Ah! Shit, bro. Let's go, we got both of them. Let's go, we got him. Oh my god. Bro, what did I get? I did so bad. I don't even want to show my score. Oh my god, bro. GG. GG, GG. Alright. That was enough of CSGO. Let's run some Fortnite. Alright guys, so we're in Fortnite right now. So we're playing 720p if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we're playing 1920 by 1080 and 75%. 3 resolution, which is basically 720p. And everything is set to low, and we are getting a whopping we're getting a 160 FPS constant. Well, we're not in game yet, but we're getting 160 FPS in the lobby. We maxed out at 183, but that's pretty good. So first things first, we are going to go in creative because I want to show you guys my creating skills, because why not? Alright guys, so we're in a game. We're running 82 FPS, 70 FPS. I don't know how well it's gonna run inside pubs, but I haven't really tried, but I'm pretty sure it would run good. We are running at 100. Damn, that's pretty good. Look at the FPS. We're running at 85 on Fortnite, bro. That's totally incredible. Like, I can't tell the difference, bro. This is amazing, bro. I wouldn't say it's running the best, but for a computer like this, found off the street, but it's a steal. I'm also gonna be selling this computer, so stay tuned. If you guys want to buy, go hit me up on Instagram. I'll even ship it to you if anything. Alright, that's enough free building. Let's get into a game. Alright guys, we got into a solo game. What the hell? I haven't even played the new Fortnite Mirrors or whatever this thing is called. Alright, so we're running at 60 FPS. Jesus Christ, it's so low. Turn it down a little. I mean, it's playable, but there is a lot of FPS drops. It's running 60 FPS. Let's go wherever that is. I mean, this is still kind of playable. If you're wanting to play creative. Okay, we're getting 100 now. So, oh, this is really good. But what is this thing? Oh, it's a henchman. But what is that? Let's go. Oh my god. Please tell me you guys saw that. Oh, what even was that thing? Oh my god, this thing is OP. Wait, when you die, you turn into one of those? Oh shit, that's a player? I thought it was a henchman. Oh my god, this kid was so bad. There you go, let's go. There's another guy. Bro, how many guys are there? Jesus. Let's go. We got another kill. Oh my god, we're popping off. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. Alright, we need to get circle. Oh my god, no. No, I don't want to die like this. Oh my god, no, no way, I just killed that kid. Oh my god, how did I not die? Oh my god, how did I not die? Oh, how did I not die? But I need heal. I have 11 kills. Oh my god, how did I not die? Oh my god, bro. Bro, I'm popping off. Oh my god. There you go. How old is he? There's a guy here. Let's go. Bro, there's 2 more zombies left and I win the game. Let's go, I freaking won. Oh my god, GG, let's go. Why did I do the face climb, bro? I'm on face. Oh my god, I won, bro. My first game, that was so freaking long too. Oh my god, now we have to play some Rainbow and yeah. Alright guys, so we're in Rainbow, we're gonna play a quick match. And see how much FPS we're getting. So far in the lobby, we're getting like 56, 60. Alright, we're in a game. Jesus Christ, why is our FPS so high?
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
Yeah, that's more like it. So we're getting, let me fix it. So we're getting like 70 FPS. I died, bro. Let's barricade this.
down to 10 seconds. 5 seconds to defuse your bomb.
He's upstairs.
I got one.
On ping! Reload!
Let's go. We got all of them.
Somehow!
Let's. Bro, oh my god. Oh my god, my ears.
Somehow! This guy is the most butt cheeks player I've ever.
Bro, I literally killed all of them. I won the game. Let's go.
1v4. Wait, was that a 1v4? I don't remember.
Alright. Alright, we won the game. That was pretty good. So, basically those are all the games I played on this computer. I benchmarked them. I got an average of 130 on Rainbow. CSGO, I got an average of 150, I'm pretty sure. And then Fortnite, I got an average of like 70, 80. And I actually did win the game too, so it was pretty fire. Yeah, but if you guys are interested into this computer, like if you guys are interested in the computer, hit me up on Instagram. My app will be right here. And I will be selling it, so hit me up. But with that said, it's been Sigil, and I'm out. Peace, guys.